waiting for my noodles, and it's got my noodles. Ooh, and it's warm. These are the noodles. Hi guys, today I'm here in my couple noodles factory. Today I'm here at my couples noodle factory because today we're gonna make our own couple noodles. Oh, they have like this exhibition, all the couple noodles all the time. The couple noodles that you have to buy is 500 yen. So you will need coins or this bill right here. And if you don't have bills or you have more like 5,000 bill, 10,000 bill, you come to this little machine. You put your money there and they will change some bills for you. Then right over here, you will see the vending machine that you need to. The first step is that you need to purchase a cup and it's 500. And right over here, you put the money right there, and then you just purchase which one you want. It's all the same. Let's press this one, 500. It will give you your change right here. This is my little cup. It's giving me, see, has nothing on the inside because we're gonna fill it up. Woo! Do not remove the lid. Right, today's day, drawing between the red lines. Use depends on the table. Yes. And here I'm gonna come and try to do mine. Done drawing my couple noodles. I paint all this. I put Japan trip 23 right there. Now I'm making this line right over here because this is the line that you're gonna do your topping area. You're gonna put the noodles inside and then you're gonna choose what topping do you want in your couple noodles. Woo! Let me interview. Are you having a good time in my couple noodle factory?
Yes, I am having a good time. This brings me back to my childhood because growing up, my parents would give us couple noodles because it was cheap and it was yummy to eat. So I'm having a bunch of nostalgia, having a great time here.
Woo! These are the noodles. We have them ready. And now we're gonna go to the first station. Well, you're gonna give your couple noodles and they're gonna put the noodle inside the cup. And guess what? It's almost my turn. Hey, it's my turn. That one, yeah. Yes. For corn. This. Let me get some this fish. And cheese. Yeah. Now I'm waiting to seal the cup. Woo! They're sealing it now. Yeah, woo! Now they're gonna put it here. This is the bag. Now it's gonna go all the way. Woo! Couple noodle receiving area. Now I'm waiting for my noodles. And it's got my noodles! Ooh, and it's warm at home. Now we're gonna come here to this station right here to seal, and it's gonna look like that. First, place your couple noodle in the air package, insert hose in the air, and all this instruction of what you need to do. My new purse right here, and there you have it, my couple noodles bag. The new style, the new Gucci. And right here they have like a small theater. Will tell you, I believe it's the story of how couple noodles were made or something. I'm not sure because it's in Japanese, but you can see it and you can watch it right there. And then around it here they have like a small exhibition, because it's a factory they call it, but the factory inside the museum, and it's right here. It says made in Japan right here. All the story. And I guess this is one of their like old machines or something. I don't think it works, but well, yeah, maybe it does work, and you can buy a couple noodles for 100 yen, less than $1. Because most of the stuff are in Japanese, and I don't know Japanese sadly, so I'm not quite sure. Oh, it's thank you. This was the first one that they made or something like that. The chicken ramen right here, how they first made it up. Some little small package like that. Inside here is like demonstration how they made it before. It's like a little wood house, small fridge to wash the dishes, and this is like the water boiling or something right there, and then how they made the noodles right there, and all the ingredients that the soup was going to have inside, eggs and everything right here. It's cool how they display all this stuff. And there you have it, guys. This was my experience making my own couple noodles here at my couple noodle factory in Osaka, Japan. So if you're coming to Japan and you're coming to Osaka, definitely you should come here to this factory, because for 500 yens you can make your own couple noodles. That's the best thing, the best souvenir that you can bring back home for you here in Osaka, Japan. Let me know in the comments down below if you would love experience coming here, or if you already did. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next one. Ciao!